Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine has now lasted for over 1,000 days, and it has quite literally altered the country's landscape. While Ukraine has recaptured around half the territory Russia took in 2022, Russia still holds more than 20% of Ukraine, including many cities and towns that were shattered by Russian firepower. This map shows some of the cities that have been leveled by Russia's grinding war of attrition. And before and after images show just how destructive Russian President Vladimir Putin's campaign has been. Mariupol, a coastal city on the Azov Sea, was one of the first objectives for Russian forces looking to establish a land bridge between the occupied regions of the Donbass and the Crimean Peninsula, annexed in 2014. After a nearly 3-month siege, the city and its sprawling Azovstal steelworks fell to the Russians. Since its capture, the Russian government has tried to showcase its partial reconstruction. Ukrainian officials believe that more than 20,000 civilians died during the siege. In May last year, Russian forces claimed control of the eastern city of Bakhmut after more than 200 days of fighting. Once celebrated for its sparkling wine, stored in a massive underground complex, and its salt export, Bakhmut became synonymous with the horrific number of lives the Russians were willing to expend to capture this symbolic prize. The fighting has also turned smaller cities into abandoned ghost towns, such as Mariinka and Vovchansk. Putin justified the full-scale invasion of Ukraine by saying he intended to protect the largely Russian-speaking population in the country's east. But in effect, his so-called special military operation